ரொம்ப ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து மேம் நீட் 2026 டிஃபிகல்ட்டி லெவல் எப்படி இருக்கும் மேம், வித் தட் வாட் இஸ் த எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் கட் ஆஃப் சேஃப் ஸ்கோர் இருக்குமா? ஸோ அது பற்றி எல்லாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு அன்ரிவீல். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு லைக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஷேர் இட் வித் ஆல் யோர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஹூ ஆர் ப்ரிப்பேரிங் ஃபார் நீட் 2026. இந்த வீடியோவில் கொஞ்சம் இம்பார்ட்டன்டான அனாலிசிஸ் பற்றி ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டாக். நவ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங் தட் வி டாக் இன் த வீடியோ need not be the same thing that happens next year, because you already know NTA has gained back their whatever that they lost in 2024, everything they gain back in 2025. So if they are going to continue that, then there might be slight changes, but still I am going to give you the data why I have chosen this score or why I am talking about this score. First of all, let's understand what is exactly the pattern that is going to be followed in NEET. Okay, pattern is going to be the same, mode is going to be offline, because there has been lot of rumors about CBT mode. But ana CBT mode வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் year establish பண்ணதுக்கு, because CBT mode na ஒரு 22 lakhs of students let's say NEET exam க்கு register பண்ணியா 22 lakhs of computer system கிடையாது, because JEE ல 12 shift ல okay 12 shift they are doing it, so that itself shows that we cannot accommodate. அது வந்து ஒரு 11 lakh students max 11-12 lakh students da, but that only we are doing in this many shifts. So we can imagine that if NEET is conducted, how many shifts it has to be done. So CBT mode in the immediate future, it is not going to be happening. So it is going to be offline, students. Duration is going to be 3 hours. No longer it is going to be 3 hours 15 minutes, because அது வந்து last year remove பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இங்க வந்து total questions வந்து 180, marking scheme வந்து +4 for a correct question, -1 for an incorrect question, total marks 720. இதுல 360 marks is going to be biology, 180 is physics, 180 is chemistry. So biology has the highest weightage with botany and zoology. Now all this pattern is going to be as such as what happened in NEET 2025. இப்போ வந்து difficulty level, okay, we are going to talk about. So difficulty level ல இந்த chair reflection ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கு. So இங்க students, if you see here, what is the eligibility criteria? So age must be 17 years or they can be older by 31st December 2026. So before like 2025 you should have been 17, okay, you should be 17 years. No upper age limit, educational qualification, past 12 with PCB. Now even a student who has taken PCM with biotechnology or biology also can write NEET. That rule also was changed in the past years. Okay, now aggregate in PCMB, general students 50%, OBC, SC and ST 40%, PWD 45%, reserved category of PWD 40%. Number of attempts is unlimited. Okay, oru correct attempt age limit adu onnume illa NEET la. Okay, so now here one students, we are going to start understanding what would be the score. Okay, now look here, according to what many people are telling, there will be no change in the overall exam level, but I told you that NTA always keeps a balance. So I also showed you, I made a video on paper difficulty of physics. So adu paathena correct, you will understand that if 1 year paper is difficult or moderate to difficult, next year it is usually moderate and the third year it is usually easy. So if you look at that, then you will understand that NTA kind of keeps balance, even though people are telling that if once the level is increased, it is going to be continued for 2-3 years. It's not exactly like that. See, now one more thing that which is very important is difficulty may shift between subjects. If last year physics was difficult, we can expect that this time chemistry will be lengthy, biology can be difficult. Biology can be difficult. So subject வந்து change ஆகும். Physics difficult ஆயிருந்தா next year physics அதே படிக்க difficult ஆகுமா? கிடையாது. அதுதான் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோல நான் சொன்னேன், physics வந்து moderate ஆகும். There are certain things that you have to remember. So if you have not watched that video, please I request you watch that video. That has the entire analysis from 2019 to 2025. So you will understand exactly how you should prepare for physics. Then students must have a balanced preparation across all 3 subjects equally. So let's assume that the paper is going to be moderate, because NTA has got all the things that they have lost in 2024 back. So they are going to continue that, but the subject difficulty level might vary. It is not necessary that physics only will be difficult, chemistry only will be difficult. It can be that biology is tricky next year, chemistry is lengthy and physics is normal. So you should be prepared for any kind of this. So I am not telling that I am 100% right, the predictions can go wrong, but let's assume that according to the trends, it can be a moderate paper. Now next thing, how does the safe score, what will be the safe score? So safe score வந்து mainly two criteria தான் முக்கியம் safe scoreக்கு. First வந்து difficulty, paper difficulty, அது அப்புறமா number of students who are registering, number of students number, அது அப்புறமா difficulty level of the paper or relative toughness of the paper. இது இரண்டு டாபிக் தான் safe scoreக்கு finalized topic ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So safe score வந்து இரண்டு criteria is two. Okay, இரண்டு criteria வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இப்போ safe score எப்படி இருக்கும் மேம்? What will be the safe score? How much should I aim for? சொல்லலாம். Here you can see students, target for 650 for government MBBS college. That means let's assume if the paper is moderate difficult, one subject is difficult, then your somewhere safe score will go for 550 to 600. Okay, now it can be plus or minus 50. Okay, 600 plus or minus 50. So that means if you want a good government college, you are going to aim for 650. Okay, if you are in general category. Now if you are in, let's say general, we also keep minimum safe score as 610. Okay, I've kept the minimum safe score as 610. Now OBC will be around 550, and what is the thing that you have to focus? So this is the safe score. Now again, repeatedly I'm telling you, it is not necessary that I'm absolutely right. There can be things going wrong because last year none of them predicted properly. So this year also we can't predict. Okay, but still let's say 610 is the safe score. So nimma target வந்து 610 இருக்கணும். Anata 590, 580 land agum. So if paper is moderate to difficult, one subject is difficult, let's assume you're going to get 580, you will aram se get into a government medical college. Now students, what you have to focus, the strategy is going to be 60% accuracy in biology. That means, sorry, 90% accuracy in biology, where you're going to make sure that nothing you're going to lose in biology. If you do that, then around 350 marks is solid in your hand. Okay. Other Brahma, 70 to 75% accuracy in physics. If a physics last year many students were like, oh, we have to do JEE, we have to do that, this. So this year they are like buying all the JEE modules and everything. But there is no 100% necessary that next year physics will be difficult. Okay, so 70 to 75% accuracy, 80% accuracy in chemistry. Now mock test vanda March 2026 March 2026 you should be able to score in full syllabus test at least 600 plus. Ipa vanda 450 illada 320 or 350 idella normal score, no problem, nothing to worry. Even if you are at 200 also nothing to worry, because improvement ku scope irukku. But ana March 2026 you should at least come to 590 plus in mock test, illana 620 plus in mock test. Edukku ma'am, because 620 plus illana 590 plus vanda mock test if you get, you minus 110 to 20 marks or 50 marks from the mock test, that will be your actual score. So adinala tha mock test la 690 vanda kuda NEET ila max to max 610 da varum. Because mock test வந்து NEET லெவலுக்கு ஒரு மேபி ஒரு 10% டிஃபிகல்ட்டி லெவல் கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால mock test பார்த்துட்டு ஐயோ 620 இல்லை 690 ஐ ரீச், ஸோ ஐ வில் ஸ்டாப் டூயிங் mock test, I have already reached ultimatum. அப்படி கிடையாது. In the month of March, you can reach that ultimatum. Okay. So this is what is very, very important for all of you to remember. So remember students, consistency will beat intensity. If a student is trying to complete the entire syllabus by December, but they are not consistent after December, it is going to be a big failure. So do not compare your journey with anyone. If you are consistent படிக்கிறீங்க, continuous படிக்கிறீங்க, then you are going to be successful. And for any help of your need, please do follow me, and also consider me as a mentor, consider me as a akka, consider me as a tangi, whatever you want to consider me. Consider me as one part of your family during this NEET journey. For everything that help that you need, you can always come to me running. I will always have my both the hands open wide for all of you to help you, because in the channel main goal vandita NEET students should never feel lonely in their preparation. NEET students ku vanda chat gpt illana AI kitta oru doubt illana oru strategy illa ma'am idukku backlog cover pannadukku I don't want students to ask them. I want students to ask a person who has real emotion, who has spoken to people, who has experienced teaching students. So adanala tha in the channel. So if you are really loving my content, if you think that everything that I'm making is genuinely from the heart, then quickly hit one subscribe button so we can reach our first milestone of 10k, and that is going to be a big success for me. So October month la 10k adikuma students, please let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for joining. And please let me know in the comments what is your safe score, what is your targeted score, because every time you get a like on that comment, you will remember your targeted score. And once you put the comment, write it in a sheet of paper and stick it in your bedroom. Every time you wake up, look at the safe score. So thank you so much. I hope this video helps you a lot. Do not forget to check out the physics paper difficulty video as well. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.